I'm excited to show you how to automatically generate over 10 viral short clips from a single long-form video using a special website powered by AI. I'll reveal this fantastic tool in a moment. Trust me, short-form content grabs your audience's attention like a magnet. It's quick, engaging, and leaves them wanting more. But how can you create viral shorts when you're too busy? Luckily, today I'm going to show you how to use Vizard to automatically edit your videos using the power of AI. First, click the link provided in the description. Once you visit the website, you'll immediately notice the impressive branding. Right away, you'll see what Vizard AI can do. Repurpose videos using AI technology. This tool leverages advanced AI technology to analyze your long videos and identify the most engaging moments. It then automatically edits these into short clips perfect for platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. Some of the key features include AI clipping, identifies and extracts the most interesting parts of your video. Speaker detection and auto reframing, keeps the focus on the speaker or important elements, ensuring the best framing. Dynamic captions, automatically generates and styles captions to enhance viewer engagement. Customization options, allows you to tweak the clips with related B-rolls, different frames, fonts, colors, and even add animated emojis and subtitles for a more captivating final product. To start, click on this button to sign up for free. I'll explain why this is necessary. To upload a video, click the pink Upload button. You can then drag and drop your footage onto the website. If you want to use a video that's already on YouTube, just copy the link of the video. For example, I'm using this interview with Graham Stephan and Mr. Beast. After copying the link, go back to the Vizard website, paste it, and hit the Continue button. Once the AI has identified the video, we can adjust a few things. The preferred length is crucial so you won't end up with clips longer than 60 seconds. I usually like setting it between 30 to 60 seconds, but for this video, I'll keep it on auto. We'll choose a 9:16 ratio to maximize the viewer's experience. We're going to toggle on the auto emojis and highlight keywords options, which will guarantee extra engagement for our content. Since we're done setting our preferences, let's close the menu and click on the button to get our AI clips. The AI will handle the processing. During this time, our video will be uploaded and the settings we chose will be applied. This shouldn't take much time if you have a good Wi-Fi connection. As you can see, it's now finishing up and has already created 25 clips from the interview. As you can see at the top, our project only has 24 hours before it gets archived. This is why I recommended signing up for free first. We need to sign up to save it, so let's do that now using the Google account option. The interface is straightforward and clean. On the left side, there are 25 clips generated from the video. On the right side, there is various information such as the title of each clip and its viral score. The higher the score, the more likely it is to go viral. Below that, it shows the related topic of the selected clip, and underneath, there is a transcript of the selected video. If you notice a mistake in the transcript, you can double-click the error and either delete or add any missing text to ensure your captions are accurate. After watching the video, I really like the animated emojis and the auto reframe feature, but I'm not a fan of the current captions. Let's improve that using the scene editor. I've already chosen the clip I want to edit. Now, I'll just hover to the right and click on Edit. This will take me to the editing interface, where on the left side, I have the video transcript, and on the right side, I have the timeline and the preview screen. First, let's watch the clip again. The great thing about the scene editor is that it saves time because we can edit the video using the transcript. Let me show you how it works. So, if I want to add Graham Stephan's question to this video, I just select it and click on Revert to make the magic happen. This is handy because sometimes the AI might miss a scene you want, but you can easily bring it back. And if I want to remove some parts from the video, I select them first, then either click the delete button or press backspace on the keyboard, which automatically removes that part of the video I don't want. Let's improve our video, beginning with the template. We have some cool pre-made templates to choose from. Since there are 2 people in this interview, I suggest using this specific template. It's great because we can see both Mr. Beast and Graham Stephan simultaneously, which saves a lot of time. However, if you don't prefer the pre-made templates, you can also create your own custom one by simply clicking on this custom template. And here you can adjust your template however you want. In the background section, you can use some cool background options for your clip. If there's a background I like, I'll pick it first, then adjust my video size to show the background. In addition to the pre-made backgrounds, you can also upload your own. In the text panel, you can pick any preset for your headline and then tweak it more with the settings available. One cool feature that really caught my attention is the ability to automatically add B-roll to your clips using AI. When you're in the B-roll section, simply click on the button labeled AI B-roll. The AI will then match the content in your videos with related B-roll footage. I find this feature really handy and I think I'll use it often. Let's replay the video.
Manages that? Well, if you go over there, up those stairs.
With just one click, the video is now more interesting. Plus, we can also choose to add our own B-roll by clicking on the B-roll buttons added to each line in the transcript. Finally, we'll be adjusting the subtitles. You can spice things up by adding your own emoji with a simple click on the gray emoji button. It's really cool. To check out different styles for the captions, hit the Style option and choose your favorite. Personally, I'm sticking with the Mr. Beast style as I've been using it in all my videos. You can also tweak the position of the captions, and if you find that they don't sync well with the audio, it's easy to make adjustments on the timeline. When you're satisfied with your project, click on Export and choose the quality. In the free version, you can export up to 720p. This is probably one of the few differences between paid plan and free plan, and the free plan is really generous. After clicking the Export button, Vizard will begin preparing your clip. Once it's done, click on the pop-up to view progress, which will open a new window. To return to your other clips, just click the back button. Once you're on the export screen, you have options. You can download the clip to save it on your computer, or click the share button to upload it directly to your social media. Vizard offers another handy feature called the post generator. When you click the generate button, it creates posts for you on major social media platforms. For example, if you choose YouTube, you'll find that the annoying work is already done. It generates the title, description, and even relevant tags for your video. The same goes for Instagram and TikTok. It generates captions for them automatically. That's just so amazing. Most times I'm too lazy to create social posts, so I definitely see myself using this feature a lot. I hope this video was useful for you. Be sure to click the link in the description to save time and money when repurposing your content. The prices at Vizard are only a fraction of what you might pay a random editor for a mediocre job. Thanks for watching until the end.